Welcome back to Ivy's Kitchen. Today I will show you how I make wonton noodle soup.
For the complete recipe, please check out ivyskitchen.net.
Add chicken broth to your pot. Add your ginger, garlic, green onions, and chicken. Season with soy sauce, fish sauce, sesame oil, and sugar. You're going to mix this. Bring it to a boil, cover, and reduce the heat. I forgot to add salt, so I'm adding it in right now. In a separate pot, bring water to a boil and cook your egg noodles. Set noodles aside and blanch your bok choy. Set that aside and cook your shrimp until pink. Next, cook your wontons. When it floats to the top, your wontons are ready. Set that aside and add your shiitake mushrooms. Once everything is ready, we can assemble. Add your noodles to the bowl, the bok choy, the wontons, your shrimp, and shiitake mushrooms. Ladle in the soup and add chili oil for spice. Since most of us are in self-quarantine, I usually have these as staple ingredients. I usually keep shrimp and wontons in my freezer, and I always have dried noodles in my pantry. So if you have these ingredients, definitely give this recipe a try.
Thank you for watching Ivy's Kitchen. Please don't forget to subscribe. For the complete recipe, please check out ivyskitchen.net. Until next time, happy cooking!